And here's just a screenshot of the assembly planning. So I use the wing because that's what we have here today. So you have a left wing assembly and an install, and you can actually see, this is what a user can see, any product changes in 3D viewer. And this can actually be an embedded, this is a 3D model where you can rotate, you can view it at different angles to be able to see characteristics within the bill of process. So from an assembly planning process, here is kind of a quick screen share of tasks for an engineer. So they'll open up, they'll review the MBOM changes that need to be incorporated in the BOP. Again, based on materials, based on suppliers, based on variations of materials within the system. So you can see the tasks when they log in. They're managing a work package based on the tasks that need to happen. And those tasks that need to happen are maybe design changes that happen over in the engineering. So now they're redefining the BOP breakdown, and they're searching in the MBOM, the relevant manufacturing assembly. So you can see having all access to all these documents on the fly is being able to apply the process in a very fast and efficient way. And here, going back to what I touched on, is reusing that bill of process, because we know the assembly that he's looking to build, left wing, right wing, while the materials might be the same or be different, the bill of process can basically build the same, therefore building cohesive and repetitive, proven out electronic work instructions.